What's up, Boost fam? I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna go check on the car real quick. Said there was some things that he wanted to talk to me about. Now, I'm not gonna be one of those try to build up suspension type YouTubers where they be like, oh, tune in to the next video and all that extra stuff. Nah. I'm not an actor. So basically what it looked like is that it looks like the engine has been rebuilt by someone. So I thought originally that they just put whoever had the car before me just put another motor in there. But what it turns out is what we're thinking is that they just got the motor rebuilt. And from what David was saying, whoever rebuilt the motor, I'm not sure who, they kind of just threw it together. So we're going to go check on the block right now. So far, it's so good. There's no holes in the pistons. Didn't drop a rod or anything like that. But, you know, the block took some abuse. But I think it should be good. He said there's nothing that he couldn't handle. So, but we're just going to go check up on it. You know, my dad wanted to check out the block as well. So, we're going to go do that. And then I got to take my wheels over there anyway. So, you know, that's like a kill two birds with one stone. But right now, I'm finna go pull the truck around. That's probably one of the advantages of having this little rental. I'm finna pull the truck around real quick and go load up the wheels. And while my dad gets ready, cause I think it's Cars and Coffee today. So we wanted to just meet up there and then, you know, head back out real quick. Because I think David is going over to Cars and Coffee over Boost Mode. So I would go, but you know, I gotta work and I barely got any sleep as it is because late nights. Alright, so pull this truck around real quick. Like I was saying, hopefully everything is all good as far as with the block and all that. Because he said when he was taking it apart, the block was leaking like crazy, or it was leaking like crazy. But he said mainly it was just a lot of cleanup. It wasn't nothing major. So yeah, I'm gonna pick back up once I get these wheels loaded, and then we'll head out on the road, because he opens at 9 o'clock. It's about 10 maybe. So once I head that way, start heading towards that way, then, you know, I'll pick right back up on the video. Alright, got the wheels loaded up. Now I just need to wait on my dad. I really need to. Actually, I need to put this truck on the easy tag. The easy tag, so I can just take the tollway. Well, hope my dad don't take too long, cause you know we're not going over there for nothing special. So he ain't gotta like get dressed up. Just put on some shorts or something and a shirt. I'm gonna throw this thing on the easy tag real quick. In which I don't really care if y'all see the plate, cause it's a rental truck anyway. So let's see where we at. Add this video to my tags. X 5141. I think that'll be good. Next 7 days is good. Let's add it. Alright, vehicle's been added. So let's see. MBX 5141. MBX 5141. Alright, good to go. So I'll pick back up probably once we get up there. Usually I really don't like to record on the road, but unless it's something like major. But I'll pick back up once we get out there. So I'll see y'all in a bit.
Damn coolant hose was about to pop off. The lower radiator hose isn't even all the way on. Just kind of started working. I'm real happy. We've got all kind of crazy wiring. Their homemade fuel system on here. I'm like, come on, guys. Spend the money, you know? Yeah. I'm not sure what shop it's at. Like I said, I don't like to talk trash about anybody. But, you know, I mean,
really,
that's for a big car like that.
The good part about it, man, he did open his eyes and get it to the right place. You know, that's a lot of money, man. You know, 15 grand for somebody like me, man, it takes a while to get that. So,
beautiful car.
Yeah, I love it, man. I love it.
Yeah. The R1 too, it's very nice. It's got repetition. It's a special edition.
Okay.
Yeah, he's redoing the window on the hood right now.
Yeah.
The blower, we're gonna do black powder coat on the blower with the red writing and the red valve covers. Look real sick. Match everything. The car's a nice VR1 color combination.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
What do y'all think?
I think it looked pretty good, man. You know, like I was saying, the only concern with the oil pressure that was a little low,
right.
But it wasn't knocking or making any kind of noises like it was the bottom end.
Correct.
You know, and he used to change the oil religiously with that Royal Purple, and after he started having problems with number 8 cylinder, then, you know, he kind of didn't really lose interest. He just kind of backed off of it a little bit and didn't change it as much.
Yeah, well, I'm glad you did. I'm glad we didn't hurt her, you know.
Yeah. And he slowed it down and, you know, wasn't pushing it too hard. But they, you know, the way that they made it seem like this was a boat rebuilt, boat engine. You know,
Yeah, that's how he said it. That it was a bought. The guy just came in and bought another engine and put it in, but he probably just rebuilt his old one.
Oh, he may have just
Or
got
just
a
bought
used engine.
Yeah.
You know, because
It might have been, you know, 0 mile rebuilt, which
Yeah.
those are out there as well.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, to be honest, I mean, these short blocks aren't cheap. You know,
No,
they're not cheap at all. And with it being a long block with the heads painted and everything like that, I'm sure you paid a good chunk of change for it.
Yeah.
Good thing is it probably has nice bearings. You know, cam bearings look aftermarket as well. So.
Yeah, if it's Milden or something like that, or Chadis, those barriers work pretty good. I had been dealing with old Jeff Wahlberg on Piedmont. He's the one that used to do all my motors.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did
He
the
owns
big
is that west side?
No, his called.
You know, these are responding real well to nitrous. We made 871 on Felicia's car.
Yeah, I saw that.
Sprayed 100, made 1,011 with a 100 shot. You know, that's crazy.
Hey man, that thing going there with 100 shots. That's the same shot of nice.
I think so too.
Yeah.
So,
Making that kind of power.
and just how it compounds like that, you know,
Yes, sir.
it's
Yeah.
crazy.
Like I say, man, you know, I know you're in the right spot. Sometimes, man, when you're dealing with these cars, you have some setbacks and stuff you have to, you know, invest a little bit more in. I've been doing that. How many race cars I had? About 7, 8.
Yeah, somewhere around there.
Back then, I was spending. It wasn't a whole lot of money because I had friends with $100 grand in it, but I had 75 in mine.
A good chunk of change.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's the crazy thing, you know, especially today. Everything's so expensive. You got to pay to play, you know. I mean, you really do. And the bad thing is, though, the industry's kind of going towards how heavy is your wallet.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And
that's
it's not, no, you know, like we talked about, it's not who's the better mechanic, you know?
Right.
Who's this, who's that, who knows the tricks. It's kind of strange, so.
But you know what I like about now.
This compression side, he's got a lot of missing coating here. No galls though, no gouges, so I'm happy with that, but this is the new coating we offer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is where the bearing. This the one that had the bad bearing in the front.
No, that's your snow.
Okay. That was actually losing. It was losing.
Losing a little boost, yes
Yeah,
sir.
boost.
That's what I was telling him. It's not that it won't work, it's that it's just
not
gonna be
as
a little weaker.
Yeah. That's what I was worried about that too.
Yeah, I recommend doing that though.
Man, you know, with your
It's already a part.
with your first build, you're gonna be worried about everything.
Yeah.
But it's a good thing, you know,
Mm-hmm.
because you want everything to be, you know, right where you can have some fun with the car.
That's what it's all about too. I want you to have fun with the car.
Yeah.
You know, I want you to enjoy the car. I mean, that's why we're all in this. You know, there's
Yeah.
something about it. It's, you know, it's a rush.
Yes,
Stress
sir.
reliever. You know, it keeps us out of the bars. It keeps us out of the clubs. You know, I mean,
That's right.
it keeps you out of trouble.
That's one thing that he haven't ever given me any trouble.
Yeah.
He been a push-up
son,
guy.
right?
Yes, sir.
Y'all want to see a bad rotor pack? Check that baby out.
Yeah, that's what I was scared of if that would happen.
That's huge.
That's ringlands right there. Locked up too all the time.
Yeah.
See that?
They got some big garages in it.
Yes, sir. The case is just ruined. We got a bunch of them though. It's very common.
Mm-hmm.
And they'll lose thrust and heat out the thrust face. I mean, it's a lot of weird shit will happen with these. You just got to be super careful.
Yeah, man.
I think everything should be good.
It's gonna be all right, man. Just like man was talking about the trial and error.
Mm-hmm.
You know, hit and miss. I've done that so many years, 40 years, hit and miss. I miss, I go and hit again and give me about 40,000, I'll be all right.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we went to Golden Nuggets a couple weeks back.
Yeah.
And they got a nice pool. You been out there lately?
No, I haven't been out there.
Man, they got a killer pool. You know, you hang out there in the day, get a drink or whatever. And then the casino's real nice too. But man, they got restaurants, bars. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you said you was running a tall tire on the front, or was it the rear?
Oh, you want to see my rear? Yeah, they're over here.
Let's see if I can get through.
I got a 305
That's the size you
Mm-hmm.
45. That is right
Yeah,
there.
305, 45, 17.
Yep, that's it. We'll be good. We're just gonna have to watch the front. But yeah, there's my my rear. See the tires?
Uh-huh.
It's a lot taller, so probably gotta match those fronts a little better. Just keep that ABS traction control happy.
Yeah,
For the mile, I gotta run a different setup, man. They don't let you run your wheels. Well, they don't let you run that tire, I should say.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
they make it.
Well, because I think these are 305. Yeah. Got all the parts. Like they said, the motor probably been rebuilt because the heads were spray painted. But, like I say, this is my heat exchanger. See all the holes in this thing, but and then it's bold. That's what I figured that car had been in a wreck before. My brick is good. I got that reinforced already, so.
Yeah. That boy can shift like he went out there. He went out shifting automatic. He pulled that motor up on the line. Yeah. It's going. Bones in right to here. What you gonna do? Boom! You found out quick. Yeah. He traded that car straight across. He went for a low mile grant. Low mile. That was 93. He passed away.
Alright, so finally made it back to the house. And, you know, y'all got to see, look at the block and everything. And like I said, what David said is, I think everything should be good. The motor will hold up. If it's been rebuilt, that means they got, you know, some good bottom end things on the bottom end as well. So motor should be good. So we're gonna go ahead and gave them to go ahead and finish putting it together. So maybe done by, I don't know, fall. I don't know, probably sooner. We'll see. I'm not really in a rush, but like I say, I can't wait. Then I can show y'all the build, and then as well, after that, then I'll be able to put out more racing content, which is gonna be the main thing of my page. So right now we're just focusing on the build, getting that out the way. So you know, it's just a little bit of content every now and then, but I'm gonna try to put out weekly content once I get it done at the car shows and, you know, getting in some races and things like that. So stay on the lookout for that. But as of right now, yeah, just stay tuned. Car should be done soon. Then you know, I'm gonna ride around in there a little bit. Then I'm gonna start showing y'all the wrap, getting it wrapped, get that process out the way, because I know a pretty good shop, like I said. But this camera's about to die right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this vlog out right here.